Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily make salt dough. You can do this using only 3 ingredients. Let's go! First, take a bowl and add 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and stir gently with a spatula. Now slowly add half a cup of water and stir while you do it. Then stir it until it becomes smooth. Once it is completely like dough, take it out using your hands. Knead it until it is not sticky. If you just want to play with the salt dough, you don't have to do this step. But if you actually want to mold something out of it, then cover it up with some plastic wrap and let it sit for a few minutes. This will help it to thicken up and be easier to mold and hold its shape. Make sure it is completely covered in the plastic. After a few minutes, unfold it. Once you remove the plastic, you'll start to notice that it is thicker and a bit harder. Now, mold it into what you want and then dry it. You can either just let it air dry, which would take about 2 to 3 days, or let it sit outside in the sunlight. This will take about 24 hours. Or you can speed up the process to less than 30 minutes by putting it in the oven at low temperature. Both ways are efficient. If you have leftover dough, you can store it in a plastic bag. This way it will stay smooth and won't harden up. Although, be careful, as after a few days it may start to get mold. So make sure it is completely closed. These are how my 2 salt dough creations turned out. They are completely hard now. As you can see, it's okay if there is some rough areas. The paint might fill it up, or it just makes it look handmade, so don't worry. You can decorate them with glitter, paint, stickers, or anything else you have lying around your house. This is how my bowl and S turned out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!